students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will learn English grammar. Do you know? English grammar is so important for we all. We learn how to make sentences. We learn how to use helping verbs correctly. And in this way, we are able to use correct English language. Let's start English grammar.
डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन, हम जब कंपेयर करते हैं तो उसकी भी डिग्रीज होती हैं कि हम कितना किसके साथ कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. लेट्स क्रैक. कंप्लीट दिस पैसेज अबाउट चित्रा एंड डैनी यूजिंग एडजेक्टिव्स फ्रॉम द बॉक्स. बॉक्स से आपको एडजेक्टिव चूज करके पैराग्राफ को कंप्लीट करना है. Now these are the words given in the box. This is the funniest poem Chitra has ever read. At the same time, it is very difficult to understand. It is dash than any other poem. It is better than any other poem she has ever read. When her teacher was reciting this poem, Chitra had laughed the loudest. Her friend Danny didn't think the poem was funny. Danny is the quietest boy in the class. Chitra, on the other hand, is hardest than any other student in her class. Look and read the following words. जो नीचे words हैं उनको देखिए कैसे हैं. Fast, faster, fastest. You see that adjectives can change their forms. Fast, faster, fastest. We call these forms as degrees of comparison. Adjectives can show comparison between two or more people, places, animals or things with their different forms. These forms are called degrees of adjectives. अब आपने देखा तीनों वर्ड्स में डिफरेंस था, है ना? फास्ट, फास्टर, फास्टेस्ट. तो हम इनको क्या कहते हैं? डिग्रीज ऑफ कंपैरिजन. तो जो ये डिग्रीज होती हैं ये दो लोगों के बीच में कंपेयर के लिए होती हैं या दो से ज़्यादा अगर आपके पर्सन है, प्लेसेस हैं या कोई भी चीज़ है उसके बीच में कंपैरिजन के लिए अलग अलग फॉर्म्स इसकी होती हैं, हम इसको यूज़ करते हैं. तो ये जो डिग्रीज हैं इनको कहा जाता है डिग्रीज ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स. There are 3 degrees or forms of adjectives. कितनी है? 3. We use the positive degree when there is no comparison or when we compare two things using as or so. As example, as tall as green as, so fast as, etc. तो यहाँ पर हम कौन सी डिग्री को यूज करते हैं? पॉजिटिव, क्योंकि यहाँ पर कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं होता. Next, the comparative degree. When we compare two persons or things, example, taller than, greener than, faster train, etc. We put then after the comparative degree. Comparative degree के बाद हम किसका यूज करते हैं? then का. तो जब दो लोगों के बीच में या दो चीज के बीच में कंपैरिजन होगा तो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री का यूज होगा. नेक्स्ट है हमारी द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. व्हेन वी कंपेयर मोर देन टू पर्सन्स और थिंग्स, एग्जांपल द टॉलेस्ट, द ग्रीनेस्ट, द फास्टेस्ट, एटसेट्रा. वी पुट द बिफोर द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. जो सुपरलेटिव डिग्री होगी उससे पहले हम द का यूज करेंगे और जब कंपैरिजन दो से ज्यादा के बीच में होगा तो सुपरलेटिव डिग्री का यूज होगा. नाउ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द डिग्रीज ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स किस तरह से फॉर्म करते हैं देखिए. by adding er and est to the positive degree. er और est का यूज करके पॉजिटिव डिग्री के साथ करेंगे और फिर हम इसको यूज करते हैं. पॉजिटिव, कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव. dark, darker, darkest, deep, deeper, deepest, fast, faster, fastest, few, fewer, fewest, kind, kinder, kindest, long, longer, longest, cheap, cheaper, cheapest, new, newer, newest, small, smaller, smallest. By adding T and ST to the positive degree में T और ST का use करके. Now positive, comparative, superlative. Able, abler, ablest. Now brave, braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. Large, larger, largest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Pure, purer, purest. Now by adding the last consonant, if a vowel comes before it and adding ER and EST. Positive, comparative and superlative. Big, bigger, biggest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Wet, wetter, wettest. By changing the last Y into I, if a consonant comes before it, अगर consonant आएगा उससे पहले तो Y को I में change करके, and then adding ER and EST. Positive, comparative, superlative. Busy, busier, busiest. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Dry, drier, driest. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. By adding more and most before the positive degree से पहले more और most का use करके भी हम use करते हैं. Positive, comparative and superlative. Active, more active, most active. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Faithful, more faithful, most faithful. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. By changing the comparative and superlative degree, इनको कैसे change करते हैं देखिए. Positive, comparative and superlative. Bad, worse, worst. Far, farther or further, farthest or furthest. For, former, foremost. Late, later, latest. Little, less, least. Good, will, better, best. Old, older and elder, oldest and eldest. Many, much, more, most. Now remember, as a rule, then is used after the comparative degree. Example, Arun is stronger than Rohit. तो then का use कहाँ हुआ? Comparative degree में. As a rule, the is put before the superlative degree. Superlative अगर होगी तो उससे पहले the का use करेंगे. For example, Arun is the strongest boy in the class. The adjective junior, senior, superior, inferior take to instead of then. Then के बाद then के साथ to का use करेंगे. Examples, Ajay is junior to Sanjay by 1 year. I am senior to Mr. Singer in the office. This music system is superior to that. You machine is inferior to mine. Now practice and polish. Write the correct adjectives of comparison in the blanks. आपको क्या करना है? जो correct degrees हैं, उनको use करना है comparison की. अब है आपका positive, comparative and superlative. तो आपके जैसे ड्राई है तो ड्रायर एंड ड्राइएस्ट। तो इसी तरह से आपको सेकंड 3, 4, 5 को कंप्लीट करना है। Now complete this passage with the correct degrees of comparison of the adjectives in the bracket. ब्रैकेट में गिवन है, आपको करेक्ट डिग्री का यूज करना है। Mr. and Mrs. Mehra are proud of their younger son Jay. He is smarter than his siblings. He is the sincerest boy in his class. His work is neatest than the other students. The best thing about Jay is that he is always a positive person with a brightest smile. Now next is choose the adjective from the box and fill in the blanks as indicated. जैसे आपको बताया गया है उस तरह से कंप्लीट करना है। ये वर्ड्स बॉक्स में गिवन है, इनको आपको यूज करना है। Tina is happier than Babita. Raj wants a big suitcase, but Amit wants a bigger one. The trunk of an Ashoka tree is more sturdy than the trunk of banyan tree. Today is the hottest day of the year. You look very happy today. Now fill in the blanks by using the correct degrees of comparison of the adjective given in brackets. This man is the dash person in the village, laziest. Mumbai is bigger than Delhi. She has the whitest teeth I have ever seen. The magician's performance was the most splendid event of the day. The weather was the worse than it was yesterday. January is the coldest month of the year. Division is more difficult than multiplication. I got dash marks in this term than I got in the last term. So I got more marks. Today the patient is better than he was yesterday. Mr. Kelkar, the businessman, is wealthier than a prince. Now fun corner. Find out the degrees of the given adjectives as indicated in bracket. Easy superlative, largest positive, most faithful positive, far superlative, many superlative and later superlative. तो इसको आप करेंगे, कहाँ से करेंगे? ये आपका इंडिकेट किया गया है, यहाँ से आप इसको कंप्लीट करेंगे। तो इसे आप कंप्लीट करेंगे।
Now I hope you have understood how to use English grammar correctly. Now what do you have to do? You have to practice all the time.